Hey guys, Frank Redline RV here. So if you have a Furrion RV 12 volt refrigerator that is making that buzzing sound and you think it's the compressor going out, but it is cooling, let me show you what it is. So you hear that in the back where the compressor is at. If you see this little tin panel, this aluminum panel, watch this. Quiets it down. See that? So if you think your compressor is going out, it's not that, guys. It's the little tin panel. Check that out. Whenever it's in the cubby hole in the compartment, refrigerator compartment, and it amplifies that sound. So that's what that is right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the panel here, and I'm going to put a thin bead of silicone, or the best thing to do, I think, is going to be a double-sided tape around to dampen that noise. All right, let's do that. As you can see, I put a thin bead of double-sided tape. I'm going to put it back on. Also, this might be hitting right here, so that's why I put right in the middle. You don't want to push this too hard, but if you can bend it in just a tad, will prevent that as well. But let's see. Alright guys, as you can see, that double-sided tape worked flawlessly. So before you condemn your refrigerator, your RV refrigerator 12 volt right here, check that out, and I hope this video helped somebody out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.